Good morning, students. We were discussing future continuous tenses in the previous lecture. So today we will start future perfect tense and hopefully we will today finish tenses. Fine. So what is future perfect tense? Basically, in the future perfect tense, it is used to indicate the completions of an action by a certain future time. That means you are thinking and you are assuming कि work future time में पूरा हो चुका होगा. Just like मेरे father meeting attend कर चुके होंगे. That means it is a part of a completion of the action by a certain फ्यूचर टाइम यानी कि फ्यूचर टाइम में ये पूरा वर्क फिनिश हो चुका होगा. फाइन. सो एज द रूल ऑफ परफेक्ट वी हैव टू यूज थर्ड फॉर्म, जैसा हम सीख चुके हैं परफेक्ट के लिए थर्ड फॉर्म, एंड फ्यूचर विल यूज विल शैल. सो हाउ विल वी कनेक्ट विद इट? हमें क्या करना है इसमें? द रूल विल बी दैट विल शैल प्लस हैव प्लस वर्ब थर्ड फॉर्म. Fine. Third form indicating past, indicating perfect, and future indicating will shall. So we have to connect with have plus third form. Clear? So subject will be called will shall have third form. So let's start with affirmative sentences. In the cases of affirmative, we have to use subject plus according to subject will shall plus have plus verb third form. Same condition will be applied and plus object also. If you are having I or V, उसके साथ shall का use करना है और rest of के साथ will का use करोगे plus verb third form. Just like I shall have attended दिस मीटिंग. दैट मीन्स मैं ये मीटिंग अटेंड कर चुका होऊंगा या मैंने ये मीटिंग अटेंड कर ली होगी. दैट मीन्स वी आर हैविंग द कंप्लीशन ऑफ एन एक्शन बाय अ सर्टेन फ्यूचर टाइम. क्लियर? वन मोर एग्जाम्पल. ही विल हैव ऑपरेटेड द कंप्यूटर. तो ही ने कंप्यूटर ऑपरेट कर लिया होगा. दैट इज ही विल हैव ऑपरेटेड द कंप्यूटर. So in the cases of affirmative, we will start just like they will have sung a song. They will have sung a song. That means future में ये वर्क फिनिश हो चुका होगा. In the cases of negative, they will not have sung a song. In the cases of interrogative, will they have sung a song? In the cases of interrogative negative, will they not have sung a song? And double interrogative, interrogative negative, दे ने सॉन्ग्स बेसिकली गा लिया होगा. दे विल नॉट हैव उन्होंने नहीं किया होगा. विल दे हैव क्या वो सॉन्ग गा चुके होंगे, क्या वो सॉन्ग नहीं गा चुके होंगे. इन दैट केस एंड वाई विल दे हैव क्या उन्होंने ये वर्क क्यों कर लिया होगा. एंड द लास्ट उन्होंने वर्क क्यों नहीं कर लिया होगा. बेसिकली इट विल इंडिकेट द वर्क विल हैव फिनिश्ड in a certain future time. Fine. So let's start the exercise of it. Put the verbs in the correct forms, future perfect tense. So exercise A on page number 97. By 9 o'clock we dash dinner. Shall have cooked. Second, they dash eat by then. So they will have eaten. Third, in 1 week he crossed the Atlantic by boat. They, that means he, na, he will have crossed. Fourth, she go home. She will have gone. Means आपको will, shall have plus third form का use करना है. Simple is that. Jane not finished. Will not have finished. Six. Fred not return. Will not have returned. Seventh. The sun not rise. Will not have risen. Eighth. Do you, that means interrogative. Do you the washing up by 6 o'clock? Will you have done? Will you have done? Ninth. Our boss not have, not leave. Will not have left. Will not have left. And the last. By she, will she have bought? Interrogative बना रहे हैं. Will she have bought? So by 9 o'clock we shall have cooked dinner. They will have eaten by then. In 1 week he will have crossed the Atlantic by boat. She will have gone home. Jane will not have finished her work. Fred will not have returned from his holiday by Monday. The sun will not have risen by 4 o'clock. Will you have done the washing up by 6 o'clock? A boss will not have left the office yet. Will she have bought the new car? Exercise B. Fill in the blanks with the future perfect tense. I hope it will have stop है तो will have stopped. Will have stopped. Second, the shopkeeper's verb is closed. Will have closed हो जाएगा. Third, we dash all the letters by 7 p.m. Will have posted. Fourth, I dash have most of hill station. I shall have seen. Fifth, he dash the work when we reach his house. Finish. Will have finished. Six. I think it is 5 na. So first one was will have stopped. Fine. I hope it will have stopped raining by noon. The shopkeeper will have closed the shop before the inspector comes. We shall have posted. Third one, we shall have. We can use shall have. We shall have posted the letter by 7 p.m. I shall have most of the hill station. He will have finished. Okay. Now we will start. The next topic is future perfect tense. Okay. I'm going to start it. क्योंकि आज इसको फिनिश करना है तो वी विल कंटिन्यू द टॉपिक टुडे आल्सो इन इस लेक्चर में इसको हम कंटिन्यू करेंगे अभी. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज फ्यूचर परफेक्ट टेंस. फ्यूचर परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस. It is same as the look of present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, क्योंकि उसमें हम लोग been का यूज करते हैं प्लस थर्ड फॉर्म. इट विल बी सिंपल एज दैट, बट एक बार देख लेते हैं इसको कैसे करते हैं. So future perfect continuous, that means according to the rule of continuous we have to use ing. According to perfect work third form, future will shall. It means हमें इसको यूज करना है will, shall plus have plus been plus verb third form plus ing plus since for. जैसे हम प्रेजेंट में यूज करते हैं हैज हैव बीन थर्ड फॉर्म ing since और for, और पास्ट परफेक्ट में हैड बीन थर्ड फॉर्म ing since for. तो फ्यूचर परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस में विल शैल हैव बीन third form ing since or for. Okay, let's see the affirmative of it. In the normal sentences you have to use subject will shall plus have been plus third form been plus ing plus object since for. So that means I shall have been teaching English since 2013. तो ये certain period है तो इसके लिए हम यूज करेंगे since 2013. Fine. तो in the cases of negative, I shall not have been. Clear? I shall not have been teaching English since 2013. Interrogative के लिए shall I have been, interrogative plus negative, shall I not have been. In double interrogative, why shall I have been, as simple as that. And interrogative double interrogative में करेंगे why shall I not have been, like this. Okay, let's start the exercises of it. तो basically future perfect continuous में आप लोग will shall have been plus ing plus use करेंगे. Fine. Exercise A on page number 98. Page number 98. Exercise A, first one. Fill in the blanks using future perfect और future perfect continuous. Mainly जब आपको लगता है time is given तो आप since for लगाकर future perfect continuous का use करेंगे, और in case normally दिया है that is future perfect. Let's see how. By 9 o'clock we dash finish our homework. तो that means since और for given नहीं है तो future perfect का use करेंगे. तो we shall have finished. Shall have finished. Second, I dash go out with John for 2 hours, 2 years. Time given है. Shall have been going out. Shall have been going out. Third, I'm afraid the books you ordered by Friday means since और for given नहीं है, that is will not have arrived. Fourth, this time next month I dash drive for 10 years. Time given है, I shall have been driving. Fifth, this time tomorrow we will celebrating because we dash our exam. Time और given नहीं है since और for, तो we shall have finished. Six, Robin dash inspect the bonsai plants by this evening. Will have inspected. Seventh, the physics teacher dash demonstrate an experiment in laboratory. Will have demonstrated. Last, the shipment dash dispatch as soon as. Time given नहीं है, will have dispatched. तो बेसिकली फ्यूचर परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूस में सिंस और फॉर गिवन है तो हम वी विल कंसिडर शैल हैव बीन ing normally third form. So by 9 o'clock we shall have finished our homework. I shall have been going out with John for 2 years in May. I'm afraid the books you ordered will not have arrived by Friday. This time next month I shall have been driving for 10 years. This time tomorrow we will be celebrating because we shall have finished our exams. Robin will have inspected the bonsai plants by this evening. The physics teacher will have demonstrated an experiment in the laboratory, and the last shipment will have dispatched as soon as the packing was completed. So there was your tenses which has been completed by today. I hope आपको समझ में आया होगा. So in the upcoming lecture we will start the new topic. Thank you so much.